So, Department of XYZ, you're looking at early stage venture investing in the digital asset space. When you look in that space, you talked about some themes, right? Some real world tokenization and others. But what do you look for in terms of an investment opportunity? Like, what are the key heuristics you think about when you look for an investment?
Yeah. I mean, I'm focused early stage, so pre-seed and seed. And so there it's, I mean, largely founder, right? Founder quality. Um, and you're looking for founders who ideally have built businesses before or have, um, you know, worked in the space and have domain expertise. I think you're also, though, for this space, you're looking, and for me particular, kind of with my fund thesis, you're looking for founders that have just kind of a strong moral compass. I mean, maybe that's like a little bit of an overstatement, but just like, that are very sort of ethical people.
You too have been affected by the Sam Bankman Fried.
Yeah, right. Yeah, I mean, yeah, right. Exactly, right. But I think it's that, and then they're just operating in a huge. They're building in an area that's just with a huge TAM and like a huge sort of opportunity set, right? I think those two things are sort of the most important ingredients for success at an early stage. And again, I think you're seeing a lot of that. It's interesting though. You're seeing, I think crypto is the area or digital assets where maybe the first area that existed like in the history of the world is like this, where a lot of these teams are global from day one. Actually, I mean, it's not like a fintech product where it's you start in one state and then you sort of grow and then you expand to another country. With a lot of companies in the digital asset space, I mean, they are geographically dispersed from day one, and that's another thing that's been another important theme for me recently is um, jurisdictional optionality, right? That if you're too heavily focused or weighted in one jurisdiction, it's just too much risk today, right? You've got to be in multiple jurisdictions from day one largely for regulatory reasons. And I think that is I think there'll be probably some interesting implications of that we haven't really thought through. Like, what does an industry look like that is like from day one?